Let's talk about garage doors. I know, but choosing a new one is actually a way bigger deal than you might think. It's not just a door, it's a huge piece of your home's first impression. It's curb appeal. So, how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, let's dive in and break it down. So, get this. This is some real and honestly kind of terrible advice someone was given about a major home decision. I mean, we live in this world that wants everything in 60 seconds, right? Quick and to the point. But how does that work when you're choosing something that's going to define your home's look for decades? It's a real problem. And that is the big question we're going to tackle right now. We're going to cut through all that noise and give you a super clear guide to the main garage door styles out there. The goal? To help you make a choice you're going to absolutely love for years and years to come. All right, first up, the modern aesthetic. If you're someone who loves clean lines, minimalist design, and just a super sleek contemporary vibe, then this section is definitely for you. This is all about making a bold, sharp, and totally uncluttered statement. So in the modern category, you've got a couple of amazing options. On one side, you have the Sterling. This thing is ultra sleek, totally minimalist, with this liquid smooth steel and frameless glass. It's almost like a single, solid, polished piece. Then you have the Skyline Flush, which is all about those crisp, clean lines and strong geometric shapes. So you see, both are modern, for sure, but they have their own completely unique personalities. Okay, next up, let's talk about the timeless classics. Now, if you're leaning more towards a traditional, enduring look, these styles give you that sense of elegance and comfort that honestly never goes out of fashion. These are the ones that work with a huge range of homes. And don't think classic means boring, because there's so much variety here. Let's do a quick run through. First, the raised panel. This is the staple you see in a lot of neighborhoods, and for good reason. It adds great depth and definition. Then there's the stamped carriage house, which gives off this wonderful, rustic, handcrafted vibe. Think classic charm. The overlay carriage is a bit bolder, with a three-dimensional, old-world look that adds serious character. And finally, the stamped shaker. It's got these clean, simple lines, a kind of minimalist take on a timeless design. So, what if you absolutely love the look of a wood garage door, but you really don't love the idea of all the maintenance? Well, what if I told you that you can have the best of both worlds? This next style is all about getting that beauty of wood with the durability of steel. Yep, wood looks steel. This stuff is a total game changer. You get that classic, elegant look of a real wooden door, the rich texture, the warmth, but you get it with the strength and low maintenance of steel. It is truly a win-win. No staining, no sealing, no worries. And a perfect example of this is the Shoreline model. It's got that beautiful classic carriage house design, but it's made with these durable steel overlays that create an absolutely stunning wood look. It's pretty much the perfect choice if you want that timeless beauty without all the weekend work. Okay, so we've flown through the three main style categories. We've looked at modern, classic, and wood look steel. Now let's pull it all together with a quick look guide to really help you find your perfect match. Think of this as your personal cheat sheet. If you get a contemporary home, you're going to want to look at the modern aesthetic. If your style's more traditional, you've got 4 amazing, distinct options under the timeless classics. And of course, if you want the look of wood without the work, style without strain is totally the way to go. It's all right here. Before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one powerful number, 40%. Just let that sink in for a second. That's how much of your home's entire front view can be taken up by your garage door. It is a massive piece of visual real estate. So when you realize your garage door could be up to 40% of what people see, you start to see it's not just a door. It's a statement. It's a huge part of the story your home tells. So the only question left is, what story do you want yours to tell?